In this video, we are going to show how to repartition a Pulsar topic. First, we click on the Explorer. Here we get a list of all tenants that are in our currently active environment. The environment can always be seen at the top right. Let's select the tenant. Then we get a list of all namespaces in that tenant. Again, we select the namespace, so we get the list of all topics in that namespace. We want to repartition the stream topic, so we open the stream topic and see the topic overview. Here we can already see that the stream topic has 5 partitions. Now we want to increase the amount of partitions by clicking on the Manage button and finally on Add Partitions. On the dialog that opens, we can now increase the number of partitions. Mind you, we can never decrease the partitions we already have. So let's say we want to have 10 partitions. We click on Confirm and we can see, just like this, we repartitioned our Pulsar topic.